So on this feed at the moment, we've got, if you look from left to right, we've got sunflower seeds on the right. We've got a fat block that the starling is currently in at the moment. We've got black sunflower hearts that the coal tit is on at the moment. We've got a seed mix on the left and the long feeder. In the middle, the bottom is peanuts for the birds, and the feed at the back is which you can't really see at the moment because it's behind the pole, is a Niger seed feeder. So this is the first day of putting the feeders out. So yeah, let's see what we've got. So far we've had starlings on it. We've got coal tits regularly back and forth on the black seed mix. I put this out this morning. That was full, so it's literally been demolished already. We've seen blue tits, we've seen grey tits on this. So for our first day putting a feeder out, it's getting good. Yeah. Hope you enjoy this video. There'll be a few short videos of what's been on the feeder, and yeah, we'll keep working on it. So during lockdown, I've done a variety of photography projects. We've done red kites in the garden. I didn't record any of that for YouTube, but I had red kites coming in the garden. So this is the next project. It's going to be garden birds. So with this being the first day in the feeder, the idea is that I want to get the birds acclimatised to just come in the garden, make sure the seed mix and everything I've got out is correct for these birds. So far so good. We've had, like I say, a variety of birds coming in. And yeah, so the next part will be a review to make sure see how the feed has progressed, and then from there, the next part is to then inevitably add in perches so the birds can land on the perches so we can get some actual photography shots. So it's kind of a bit of a timeline, but yeah, hope you enjoy this, and we'll see you in the next video.